Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to create a resource group. First of all, we have to understand what is a resource group. First, we have to understand the subscription. Subscription is a service we have subscribed for. In this I have used the student Azure account. In that subscription account we have multiple resource groups, and inside resource group we are having multiple storage account and data factories. Then search in this here resource group, go to the resource group. Then here already I have created the resource group. Then we have to create new one. Click on create. Here it is asking for the subscription. By default it is selected this one. If you are having another subscriptions, we have to select that one. Then we have to give some resource group name. Then here is a region in which your resource group is stored, which is the data centers at these regions. Then we have to click on next. Here validation fast. Then we have to click on this create button. That's all we have created with our new resource group. Here we can access all the things. Thank you for watching this video.